Carter Swarm Lab 7.
Alright, this shows our program. So right now the display is in the cat chasing tail mode at the very end, but if we were to turn it off, it's going to follow the A and B. So this first one over here is A, this is B, and then this is the program counter. And when I flip the switch in a moment, it's going to go pretty fast so we can get through this. But it's just going to follow the A and B in the simulation, where it's going to load in 3, and it's going to load in 1. It's going to do some of the stuff down here, but eventually it's going to load in, because we want to do 2 minus 1, 2. We have to negate the 1 to make -1. 2 plus -1 would be 1. And then basically after that we go through the loop and it happens again. So we're going to turn this off, and then now we're going to start zeroing out. Then we're going to turn it back on. 5, 6. The program counter is counting up right now. The first one that's going to be loaded in A is 3, right there. And then 1. And then it flips FF, and then there's 2, and then all of a sudden you see 1 right there. That's our answer for the first one. And it's going to go through the second and third numbers. Second and third numbers being 7 minus 3 is 4. And then 15 minus 5 is A. So there we get our 7 and then our 4, which is our 7 minus 3. And it's going to keep going through, and eventually you're going to see A in this first one. Once it loads in all the others, and -1 and +1 does our summing. And there we go, 0A. And then after that, it's going to do some storing, negate down the counter to 0. When it's 0, then it's going to go to 0, which is the cat chasing dog mode when we're done.
Carter Swarm Lab 7.